Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Kathleen Reddington with your hedge fund headlines. Today is Wednesday, September 17, 2008. The bankruptcy filing of Lehman Brothers is another blow for the hedge fund industry, but at least the damage is limited for funds exposed to the U.S. investment bank. Reuters reports that even legendary fund manager George Soros, who runs around $18 billion in assets, is likely to have been affected after raising his stake in the investment bank to 9.5 million shares in the second quarter. A spokesman for Soros Fund Management declined to comment on the composition of their portfolio. Staying with hedge fund news, U.S. private equity group TPG Capital plans to focus on Eastern Europe and Israel in a move to find regions with economic growth and few ties to the credit crunch. Jeffrey Fink, who oversees the region for TPG, told the Financial Times that Eastern Europe and Israel is a new focus area for the company. The firm recently acquired a 25% stake in Israeli distributor Strauss Coffee. Fink said that the credit crunch is one factor that has encouraged private equity firms to look beyond where they had traditionally been doing deals. And in more hedge fund news, the London unit of Connecticut-based hedge fund SAC Capital has hired several staff ahead of its rebranding and following the departure of 4 partners. eFinancial News reports that the firm's new name will be SAC Global Investors. The changes come after equities fund managers and partners Andrew Billette, Niall Boland, Paul Newton, and Philip Peel departed. And in other hedge fund news, hedge fund Cedar AAA Partners has just added a marketer to its Hong Kong office as it aims to triple the size of its seeding fund. Fin Alternatives reports that Joanne Murphy has been named Asia Pacific Marketing Director at the firm with responsibility for marketing and distribution in the area as well as fundraising. AAA is looking to raise another $200 million for its seeding fund, which currently has $101 million. The firm is also expected to increase its stable of Asian hedge funds. It has seeded 3 with the announcement of a 4th shortly. And that rounds out today's hedge fund headlines. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our hedge fund channel online, read the full stories and the latest developments.